Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly pair a new Amazon Fire Stick remote. Now, what you want to do is just completely reset it right away. So go to your Amazon Fire Stick and TV and unplug that from the wall outlet. And then go to your Fire Stick remote, press the back button, the button with the 3 lines on it, and the left button, and hold this down for about 15 seconds. So you can count out loud 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 15, and then turn around your remote at 15 and remove the batteries. Then go to your Fire Stick and plug that back in. Wait for it to boot to this home screen. Then place the batteries into your remote if you haven't already, and then go to the home button and hold down the home button on the remote. And you're going to notice on the top right, there's going to be a blinking orange light indicated that your remote is in the Bluetooth pairing mode, and it's going to try to sync back up to your Fire Stick, get close and have a clear signal so it can reconnect. But usually at this time, there's going to be a pop-up on the screen that says like no remote detected or something like that, and you can just press this center dial button, and this should pair your remote back up to your Fire Stick. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.